Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, March the 27th, 2023. We have not so good news because we have only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Let me show you. What I will do is solve an old additional with extra puzzles that I've not finished. But I will do this in the evening. Yes, in the evening. So no extra puzzles in this newspaper. Alright, what's the news of today? Well. Not quite interesting news. Well. Alright. Oh, apologies. Why are they dressed as in blue? No news for today. No news for today. Well, tonight there's a match of the Dutch soccer team against Gibraltar. So they need to win of this state or country. I do not know. It's somewhere in Spain. But tonight there's a European Championship match between Gibraltar and the Netherlands. Okay, let me start with the puzzle. You are interested in the puzzle? Well, Medium Sudoku number 6180. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, is this really a 2 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes here. 4 in the middle, in the second row, so no 4 in those two boxes. So this 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 8 in this column? 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, there are only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, there are only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the last row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 5. Now we have a 5 here in the first row, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be the 5. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Then. Let me see. 9, 9. 1, 1. 2, 2. And 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this big square. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in the third row for number 4. Alright. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Then 3 in this row, 3 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need an 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. We have 8 in the row below, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this column should be there. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 179, 179, 179, and look, with a 1 and a 9 in the first row. So no 1 and a 9 in this box. The 1 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 7. Then 7, 6. And 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the third column is the number 6. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in this column should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 6. I need to wait. How about the 1 in the last column, the 1 in the column next? So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. 9, 9. 3, 3. We have a pair. 3 and a 6 in this row. 3 and a 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Then 2 and a 7. So here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in the last column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this last row. One of the missing number in the last row is number 1. Here can it be 1 because we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here can it be 1 because we have a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the last row should be there. 1, 2 and 3. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 7. 3 and a 1. 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in the middle column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, and 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have also 2 missing numbers, 7 and 2. We have a 3 and a 6. These 2 missing numbers, I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. Wait. Made a mistake here. 1. Oh, no. Correct. 1 and 9. 1 and here two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the third column, so the column between, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. You see a 1 this row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now, the 7 and the 2. 7 and the 2, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 and a 6, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, the 3 and the 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, the 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, told you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars puzzle. Definitely a 2 stars. Alright, so I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will meet you again in the evening with the other puzzles in additional, not of today's newspaper, no, from a other day. Yes, an old puzzle. Anyway, thank you, and see you in the evening. Bye bye for now.